Hey guys, David Dodge, the discount property investor. I am standing here in front of this house that I just sold today. And I never went inside of this house. I actually came here about a week ago to put a lockbox on it, and I sold it. So I bought it for $4,500. It's a vacant house. No one's living in it. The neighborhood is kind of rough. You got a vacant, and a vacant. Tall grass, boarded up windows. But anyway, I bought this house for $4,500 and I sold it for about $9,000. We made about $4,500 on it, and I never went inside of it. You can do this in all parts of town, good parts, not so good parts. It doesn't matter. So this is one of the smaller deals that we do, right? $4,500, but who couldn't use an extra $4,500 on a property that I didn't even go inside? So quick wholesale case study on this property here that I'm standing in front of over off of Hamilton. Guys, you can do this. You can learn for free. Go check out freewholesalecourse.com or shoot me a text, 314-501-7557. I'd love to talk with you and teach you how you can flip houses just like this one. Let's go do some more.